Hello, my name is swissbianco. In this video I will talk about the 93mm alox bushcrafter Swiss Army knife. This is a limited edition made for swissbianco. First, on this knife we have the copper alox with the red shield. We did a couple different other Swiss Army knives with that color combination, and the tool combination of this bushcrafter is unique. It's made only for swissbianco. We have a big main blade, an awl on the opposite side, and a wood saw. That's a 2-layer Swiss Army knife. We also have the split ring attachment so that you don't lose the knife, you can secure it. On the back side of this Swiss Army knife we have the engraving plate, also that you can engrave your name or a number on that. It's pretty unique. There is more alox bushcrafter videos on my YouTube channel. We did it over the years in different color combinations, even some splash and basic traditional classic silver alox. So that much about this unique 93mm Swiss Army knife.